You can find those people online, no worries. I probably shouldn't have done that one, but I'm going to go back to it. That's all right. So this is who I use to get my influencer videos done. See, it's auto gone taking me to the UK site just because I'm in Portugal, but influencer.com.au, whatever it is, that's where you want to go. That's who I use to get my videos done for some products, all right? However, let's just have a look at the different videos that you can get done. Let's just have a quick look here. So that's a video. That's a video on the product listing. That's not actually something that you will get for your listing anymore. So that used to be something, well, no. Let me rephrase that. The way that you used to be able to get video onto your product listing was through something called Vendor Central, where Amazon basically was the buyer of your product, and they were wholesaling your product for you, okay? And in that situation, Amazon would let you put a video onto your listing like that, or through brand registry, but you had to be making a lot of sales to get invited to it. That's neither of those two things are available anymore. So you can't get it that way. However, I believe in due course, this will become available to all of us again. Probably have to pay for it now in Amazon, but it will become available to all of us. So that's something that's paid. That video right there, paid. However, let's scroll down. See if I've chosen a good one. Probably not, but let's see. Oh, okay, we're good. So here, related shorts, all of these videos, well, they're all free videos. They're all free videos. Now, where do they come from? If we scroll down a little bit more, we go to the reviews, 870 customer reviews, just open a new one. And we want to filter all of our reviews for just by that. For video, so if somebody uploads a video as a review, that automatically gets put into the related shorts, automatically gets put here, or you can get somebody to upload a video for you directly there, okay? Somebody can just upload it directly for you in that area. So that's how you can get video onto it. Three sorts of video that I think are really, really good, just to give you a little bit more. Actually, let's see if we can go find a version of this. So something that I'm seeing more and more and more. What's that? Maybe not that. We're definitely not going to find it there. So charcoal grills. Actually, let's search for best charcoal grills. So this is something that's happening more and more and more on Amazon. It's only going to go this way for sure. All right, if I scroll down, hopefully this is going to come up. Scrolly, scrolly, scrolly. Here we go. Editorial recommendations. You'll see this is happening more and more and more. That there's a platform on Amazon called Spark, which is a social media, kind of social networking platform. This is where all this shit's coming from. So people doing this editorial recommendations, editorial comments. It's basically people posting. Well, let's go and have a look. But read the full article. I'll show you what it is. So written by Best Reviews, which is just an Amazon affiliate. So this is all affiliate stuff. And you can get videos on here too, which tells you the way that Amazon is going. I'll give you the guys this link so you can have a look at it in your own time. Send to all. There you go. So you can. That's another way you can get videos on a page. So the three videos that I like, just to finish up on this one. How to use the product. That's always a great video to have. The how to use this product video. Let's have a look. See if I can find it again. Nope. Of course not. Asher. And I've no doubt I'll actually close that because I'm a numpty. Okay. So how to use the product. So the product being shown in use, and that's particularly useful if your product is a little bit difficult to use and you want to avoid getting bad reviews. Great idea to do that. Next one is an actual review of your product. and you've seen those already. That's what those related shorts, that's really good for it. And the final one is like this, like a buyer's guide and you put your own product as the number one, of course, on the buyer's guide. So and the other products you're talking about, of course, you have your affiliate link to them. So you could definitely do an unboxing video. Absolutely, you could definitely do that. Amber says studio videos can be done by students wanting experience. They absolutely can. No dramas at all. All right, so that's videos. Very, very cool. Amazon will absolutely do its best to move more and more into two things. You have to look at the patents that Amazon's filing to see they are moving into augmented reality. They're heavily investing in augmented reality. That's like if you are looking at a watch on your phone on Amazon. So if you're on the Amazon app looking at a watch, you'll be able to hold the phone over your wrist, and the app will put the watch onto your wrist, so you'll be able to see what it looks like, for instance. That's augmented reality. That's how that would work. It's really, really cool. It's going to be everywhere, and Amazon's going balls in on it. Just have to look at their patents to see them doing that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.